everyone, and welcome to another week of Trailer Thursdays. The first trailer I'm going to talk to you guys about today is Atomic Blonde, and this is an action spy thriller that is starring Charlize Theron in the lead, and she plays this MI6 assassin, and she definitely looks really badass in this movie, and I really think she's a good fit for this role, especially coming off of movies such as Mad Max Fury Road, and you know, she definitely looks the part, and she is more than meets the eye with her character, and this looks like a really cool movie that I'm looking forward to seeing. It's directed by David Leitch of John Wick, and it also stars James McAvoy as well as a whole slew of well-known actors like Toby Jones, John Goodman, and I just think it looks really exciting. It almost reminds me of Salt that starred Angelina Jolie, so I hope that there's going to be some differences in this movie because I just, you know, love the look of it. So I am looking forward to seeing this movie, and I think it definitely delivers because it also has a little bit of comedy here and there, so I think I'm definitely going to love it. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of the Atomic Blonde trailer, and if you're looking forward to seeing this movie. For the second trailer of the day, it is for Baby Driver, which is a highly anticipated movie directed by Edgar Wright, who has been most well known with working with Simon Pegg and Nick Frost in all of those movies. Since not being able to direct the Ant-Man movie, I think that this is definitely a much better fit for him as far as the situations that are going on in this movie, and it definitely has that same Edgar Wright feel that I'm well familiar with. And it's got Ansel Elgort in the lead, who is playing this chauffeur who is trying to drive all of these people around who are clearly up to no good, like Jon Hamm or maybe even Kevin Spacey. But I think it looks like a really cool, high-octane action, comedy, thriller, all into one, and I think it just looks very intense and exciting and even funny, and Jamie Foxx is also in this movie, so I think that's really cool, as well as Lily James. So I am definitely looking forward to seeing this movie. I definitely think I will have a good time watching it, and hopefully I'll love it when it comes out. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of the Baby Driver trailer, and if you're looking forward to seeing this movie. And for the third and final trailer of the day, it is for Disney and Pixar's Coco. This is about a young boy who has big dreams of becoming an accomplished musician, like some of the others that he's been idolizing in the past, like this one dude who is being voiced by Benjamin Bratt. I think this looks like a really good movie. It's definitely got this Book of Life feel, which was also another animated movie that I saw a few years ago, and I just think the animation looks really incredible, especially coming off of Moana, and I just can't wait to see it. I mean, it's directed by Lee Unkrich of Toy Story 3, and also co-directed by Adrian Molina of who was the story artist for Monsters University. So this looks like a really awesome movie. Interesting to see where this story is going to go, because I haven't heard too much about this movie, but if it's a Disney movie, I will definitely check it out. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of the Coco trailer, and if you're looking forward to seeing this movie. And for any of the other trailers to talk to you guys about today, which movie are you most looking forward to seeing? And as always, you guys can subscribe to my channel. I've got more movie reviews, movie updates coming every week for a Trailer Thursday video. You guys can also like me on Facebook and follow me on Twitter, and I will see you guys later.